हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम प्रशिक सोनोने है। मैं सोमया कॉलेज ऑफ एजुकेशन में बीएड का कोर्स परस्यू कर रहा हूँ। मैंने अपने हिस्ट्री में मास्टर्स कंप्लीट किया था। उसके बाद टीचर बनने का मेरा ख्वाब देखा मैंने, एंड उसके लिए मैंने सोमया कॉलेज यहाँ पर आया। सोमया कॉलेज इंडिया का वन ऑफ द टॉप मोस्ट कॉलेज है, इसलिए मैंने सोमया कॉलेज को चूज़ किया। यहाँ पर आने के बाद मुझे बहुत सी बड़ी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आई। उसमें यूजीसी के अंडर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे के लिए मुझे पहली बार डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज के लिए मैं इंटरव्यू के लिए गया था। उसके बाद मैंने हमेशा ही यहाँ पर जो भी कुछ इवेंट रहते उसमें खुद से पार्टिसिपेट किया, एंड उसी के बदौलत मुझे सभी स्टूडेंट्स ने, मेरे जो कुछ भी मेरे दोस्त थे, उन सभी ने एज अ जीएस इलेक्ट किया। बाकायदा उसकी इलेक्शन प्रोसीजर हुई थी, जो हम सभी ने बहुत ज़्यादा इन्जॉय की। एक स्टूडेंट काउंसिल बनाया गया, एंड उसके अंदर हमने बहुत सारे इवेंट यहाँ पर ऑर्गेनाइज़ किए। देन मेरे लिए ये बहुत बड़ा एक्सपीरियंस था लाइफ के लिए, एंड यहाँ के आगे की जर्नी भी मैं देख सकता हूँ कि इन सारे एक्सपीरियंस के वजह से बहुत इजी हो जाएगी। देन मैं आप सभी को वेलकम करना चाहूँगा सोमया कॉलेज ऑफ एजुकेशन में। थैंक यू।
I'm Ekta Parekh. I have been in the teaching field since years now. I have studied my ECCED course and Early Childhood Care Education program, and I have been teaching in the pre-primary section of a school. According to NEP, that is the National Education Policy 2020, all the teachers need to be professionally qualified, which brought me to studying B.Ed. And my aim of studying B.Ed in KJ Somaya College is to grow in all the knowledge and content, pedagogy, skills, learning, all of these. It really is wonderful here because the teachers, the faculty are so highly qualified. They are so dynamic, very, very experienced indeed. They help us to grow into competent teachers out in the globe. We can teach anywhere. Been enriching us not only with the knowledge through various skills, but content and education, but also giving us on-field experience through which we are gaining so much. We are handling events, we are handling so many different types of community work. There is lots and lots of learning through research papers, reading research papers, writing reports and articles, and the college has a variety of programs in which we can be participating. They give us opportunities in sports, arts, and other co-curricular activities as well. And I totally recommend you to study in KJ Somaya College of Education.
मेरा नाम साबरिन रहमानी है। मैं बीएड फर्स्ट ईयर की स्टूडेंट हूँ। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, अभी मैं सोमया कॉलेज में हूँ और यहाँ का कैंपस बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है। और यहाँ आने का मेरा एक उद्देश्य रहा है कि मैं छोटी सी थी तभी से मैं यहीं रहती हूँ और मेरा घर मतलब इसके पास में है, और मुझे यहाँ पढ़ने का बहुत इच्छा थी पहले से ही। और फिर जब मैंने पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट किया और फिर बीएड के लिए जब मैं कॉलेज ढूंढ रही थी, तब मुझे यहाँ का पता चला और मुझे सच में यहाँ आना ही था। तो एक मेरी ख्वाहिश पूरी हो गई। और दूसरी बात ये है कि ये कॉलेज बहुत हेल्पफुल है। जैसे कि यहाँ पर फ़ीस भले ही ज़्यादा है, लेकिन हमारा कंडीशन देखकर सारी चीज़ों को मैनेज किया जाता है। और यहाँ फ़ीस का कंसेशन करके फाइनेंस एड का फॉर्म वगैरह एडमिशन के टाइम ही फ़िल करना होता है। और जो भी सारी चीज़ें बहुत ही अच्छे से, यहाँ के टीचर्स भी अंडरस्टैंडिंग हैं। और यहाँ मेडिकल, जैसे मेरा बेबी काफ़ी बीमार रहता है, तो मेडिकल के लिए भी यहाँ के कॉलेज वालों ने बहुत हेल्प की है। और मुझे जैसे हॉस्पिटल और कॉलेज दोनों मैनेज करना पड़ता, तो टीचर मुझे इस चीज़ में बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं। और यही मेरा एक मकसद है कि लोगों को एक अच्छी जगह जाना है, तो उसके लिए तैयार हो, और तैयार होने के साथ साथ उनकी तैयारी ऐसे हो कि वो किसी भी चीज़ के लिए हारे ना कि फ़ीस ज़्यादा है, मैं नहीं जा पाऊँगी। नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। हर चीज़ का एक तोड़ होता है, एक रास्ता होता है, और यही चीज़ सोमया कॉलेज में है। थैंक यू।
Hey everyone, I'm Arnold Figgrade and I would like to share my experience with KJ Somaya College of Education. Good opportunities are hard to get, and we all try and find that one chance in life to get past our endeavors and create a new beginning. As a student and being part of the Student Council. I would like to encourage all of you to come forth and experience it firsthand yourself. All the best. Wish you choose the right path for your career. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ruchi Shah and I am doing Bachelor's in Education from KG Somaya College of Education. The reason why I chose this college was because of the amazing placements that they offer and the schools that they bring during the placements. Besides this, they also have a very good and experienced faculty. All of them are women and they are pioneer in their own fields. Besides this, as we all know that Somaya has a very beautiful campus, which is an add-on advantage. I am also the Women Development Secretary of BA. BA is a course wherein there are, most of them are women and they come from diverse background. Some are married, some are single, some also are mothers. And KG Somaya College of Education has provided a very good platform for everyone coming from such backgrounds. Besides this, our principal Hema ma'am is also very considerate and she ensures that every student in B.Ed gets equal opportunities and also very good facilities for all the students of B.Ed. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Bonita Whitis and I'm currently pursuing my B.Ed from KJ Somaya College of Education. What I love the most about this college is how they've created a very inclusive culture. Irrespective of our individual differences, we all get equal opportunities. Be it, even if you are from different caste, creed, religion, regions, languages, all of these differences are not given heed, rather we are all treated equally. I would definitely invite you to be a part of this amazing institution and become a part of Somaya family. I, as a cultural secretary, invite you to be a part of this institution and join us in all our events. We recently celebrated Gudi Padwa, Maharashtra Day, Easter, and we are soon going to be celebrating Eid as well. If you like this cultural diversity, do make sure to join us.
My name is Varsha Shinde. I have graduated from KJ Somaya College of Arts and Commerce. I know this college is very well, so aspire to become a teacher. And this college provides me various opportunities to enhance my skills in teaching. The campus environment is made in such way that it is eco-friendly. The infrastructure that they provide is very good. Thank you.
My name is Pooja Singh. I have done my graduation from KG Somaya College of Science and Commerce. Currently, I am pursuing B.Ed from KG Somaya College of Education. It has good placement opportunities with high package scheme. With that, it has collaboration with many international schools such as Kotar International School, WEET International School, and with Firki Teach for India. It not only provides good opportunities, with that also provides internship with which help us to groom ourselves and increase confidence level, boost up talent.
Hi, Devanshi here from KG Somaya College of Education. So why choose KG Somaya College of Education? Because here they provide us with world-class education. We are provided with various internship opportunities and also with various community work exercises. Like currently, I am working with a organization called World Wildlife Fund for Nature. So what does it do? It helps in protecting our environment. So currently we are working on a sustainable project. The internship opportunities that they give us various internship opportunities, and the internship continues for almost 6 months. So in this period, we are almost like full-time employed teachers, where we do various activities that have to be done by teachers, like marking the attendance, giving lectures, etc. So yes, choose the best, choose Somaya.
Hello everyone, my name is Roma Sheikh and I have done my graduation from SK Somaya College of Arts, Science and Commerce, and I am recently pursuing B.Ed from KJ Somaya College of Education. The thing why I chose this college is because it is with more credits and they have more collaboration with many international schools, and they provide many internship opportunities so that the students can groom themselves and they can overall develop their personality. And they have collaboration with many international schools such as Witty International Schools, Poda International School and all. Not only they suggest us with good internship opportunities, but also provide with good community work so that the students can indulge themselves in the community service and they can be a part of the society and contribute towards the society. They included the beach drive, which we had recently done with Afroz Shah and their team. And there were many celebrities such as Payal Tiwari, Nandish and all that, and we have contributed towards the beach cleaning program. Second, they have also included the tree plantation drive, which is in Gujarat, so that students can indulge themselves in also contributing in the society by planting more and more trees. And secondly, the teacher should be socially sound and socially aware around the surroundings and environment. And they also provide a good opportunities for the teachers as well as students to groom themselves, their overall personality. So if you are choosing this college, this would be the best decision of your